If you're watching this right now, the talking avatar you see on screen was actually made using the exact same process I'm about to show you. In this video, I'll take you step by step on how to create your own talking AI avatar, animate it, lip sync it, and even give it a natural voice, all from your mobile phone. And stick around because at the end, I'll be giving away a prompt pack with all the prompts I used today, plus 20% off discounts on the AI tools we mentioned, including DreamFace and NoteGPT. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to make content without showing your face, talking avatars are a game changer. They allow you to deliver professional videos with expressions, gestures, and natural lip sync, all using AI. Today, I'll show you exactly how I make videos like this one you're watching. Step 1 is generating the base avatar image. Here, we're using ChatGPT not just to create a prompt, but to actually generate the image. You can customize it however you like: age, gender, ethnicity, expression, whatever fits your channel style. Once the prompt is ready, ChatGPT outputs a high-quality image you can download directly. Here's a sample prompt you can use in ChatGPT. A realistic young black male YouTuber aged 25 sitting at a desk in a cinematic tech-inspired studio setup. He's slightly turned toward the camera, mid-talking expression, natural mouth movement, and hand gesture. He wears a black hoodie with the text "GreatWithai" on it. The background features a blue-lit dual-monitor setup, warm ambient lighting from one side, soft orange reflections, blurred tech posters, and a visible podcast microphone on the desk. The scene has cinematic lighting with mixed warm and cool tones, 4 kelvins, ultra-realistic depth of field, natural skin texture, professional YouTube setup composition, our 16 Dolan V6 style raw QDO. Export the image as HD. This makes it much easier when we animate and add lip sync later. Step 2 is animation. Here we use Remaker AI to bring your static image to life. Upload the PNG, then use their animation feature to add subtle head movement, blinks, and breathing all in a few clicks. Here's a sample animation prompt you can use in Remaker. Create subtle, natural head movement and eye blinks, slight breathing, and shoulder sway. Cinematic, realistic motion for a talking avatar. 4-6 second loop. Keep mouth neutral. Once it's done, export your video in high-quality MP4, which we'll use for lip syncing next. Step 3 is lip sync and voice. For this, we use DreamFace, a mobile app that lets you sync your animated avatar to a script and even add gestures. Open DreamFace, choose lip sync, and import the animated MP4 from Remaker. Then, you can either type or paste your script directly and DreamFace generates the voice automatically, or you can use NoteGPT, our voiceover sponsor, to generate a custom AI voice or even clone your own voice. Export the MP3 from NoteGPT and import it into DreamFace. DreamFace will then generate the final talking avatar video with natural lip sync and subtle hand and head movements. You can tweak voice, tone, speed, and emotion in NoteGPT or DreamFace so your avatar feels exactly how you want. A few tips to make your avatar even better. Use different expressions for different clips, generate neutral, smile, or surprised base images, animate and lip sync each, then cut between them in your editor. Break your script into shorter sentences. It helps the lip sync stay natural. And experiment with lighting and subtle animation in Remaker to match your video style. So, to recap the full workflow: image generation in ChatGPT, animation in Remaker AI, and lip sync with DreamFace using your script or NoteGPT AI voice. And there you have it, a fully animated talking AI avatar ready to create faceless YouTube content, all from your mobile phone. Don't forget, I'm giving away a prompt pack with all the prompts we used today, plus 20% off discounts for DreamFace, NoteGPT, and Remaker AI. You can literally take these prompts, generate your own avatars, and have a full talking AI character ready for your videos in minutes. Check the description for links. Alright, that's it. Image, animate, lip sync, all mobile friendly. Try it out, make your own talking avatar, and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and faceless YouTube tutorials.